You have the ability to jump from one body to another, taking another person's life in your hands. But you can't jump back to Boona lives you've been in before. You get to play your favorite character in a book-to-movie adaptation. But the adaptation is nothing like the book, and everyone despises the movie for this reason. You can live in any animated movie, but you will always unalive only to be reborn and have the same fate again. You become famous and loved by everyone, but your family hates you a lot.